game, but I ain't gon' fall under pressure. These niggas all stationary like some alarm clocks on dressers. I keep it moving, these haters mad I influence, and I just do it. No Nike, bitch nigga, I do my music. I'm about to lose it, and y'all gon' try and find it. I do not see the bullshit, cause it's standing right behind me. Running on my own, and I don't need to know the time. And never find me acting mean, cause I just kill him with the kindness. Just call me your highness, better yet the king. All you niggas puppets, but you just can't see the strings. Now they searching for my ass, but I ain't talking Bing. And you know I'm gonna win this shit, but I ain't talking Sheen, yeah. Running from reality because I'm still dreaming. That life is just a tease, but you know I'm still fiending. They trying to silence me, but I'm a freedom of speech. And try me, cause I don't get mad, I get even. Going hard is the only way to the top floor, and I ain't stopping cause a nigga like me always wanting more. It's all a game and everybody trying to score. Some people trying to stop you, call it interference on the court. Damn.
This nigga hard went hard.